Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a repeatable daily routine. Study 30-60 minutes daily using active recall and spaced repetition intervals of 1, 3, 7, and 14 days. Create 100-250 concise flashcards for key terms, theories, and researchers, and review them every study session to build retrieval strength. Use a 25-minute focused block, 5-minute break cycle to keep concentration high. Aim for 5 focused study sessions per week, totaling 150-300 minutes, not counting practice tests, and log progress to adjust time allocations. Take a full practice exam every 2 weeks under timed conditions to build pacing and endurance. Simulate testing environment with noise level and materials matching exam day. Score each section and target 70%, 80% raw on multiple choice, and 6-8 points average on free response to aim for 4 or 5. Review missed items immediately and re-encode them into flashcards or Cornell notes. Then schedule them into your spaced repetition queue so errors convert to durable knowledge. Focus on active strategies. Write one timed free response question weekly using 12 minutes per question and practice scoring to improve clarity, application, and evidence use. Use Cornell notes with cues, summaries, and one-sentence synthesis for each unit to solidify conceptual links between biological bases, cognition, development, and social psychology. Explain concepts aloud for 5-10 minutes to an imagined student or study partner to test depth and detect gaps. Record explanations and correct errors, then update flashcards and practice items accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.